now we will discuss about what is the effect of oxidation reactions in everyday life beta. Okay, in everyday life, what is the effect of oxidation? Okay, so here I want to discuss about this corrosion. Okay, corrosion, already it is well known terminology. Okay, so corrosion means when metals like iron, silver, copper attacked by moisture, acids, etc., they are oxidized to metal ions. So it is said to be corrode. This process is called as corrosion. Okay, here generally metals like iron, silver, copper articles better when they expose to the moisture or acids, in especially in winter season or in rainy season, what will happen, the metals are attacked by this moisture and acids. So then what will happen, the metals are oxidized to what beta, metal ions. Okay, so metals are converting to metal ions. So here metal is damaged. This damage of metal is known as corrosion or corrode, that is said to be corrode. This process is called as corrosion. Okay, simply beta, in winter season or in rainy season, when the iron articles or silver articles or copper articles exposed to the moisture, okay, so what will happen, the moistures or acids, they attack the metals and converting to metal ions due to oxidation. Okay beta, so the metals are converting to metal ions due to the oxidation. Okay, so here the metal is said to be corrode. Okay, and this is called as corrosion. Okay beta, this process is called as corrosion. Okay, look at this, the damage of like this metals is called as corrosion beta. Okay, this is happening because of oxidation. Okay beta, so look at this, iron, when we keep the iron article in rainy season or in winter season, when it is exposed to the moisture, then what will happen, the on iron article the reddish brown coating is formed. Okay beta, so that is called rusting. Okay, next, if you keep the silver articles in moisture, okay, then what will happen, the silver articles are attacked by the moisture or acids and a black color coating is applied or formed on the silver articles. This is called tarnishing. Okay, tarnishing of silver. And next, if you keep the copper articles in open area where the moisture and acids are present, especially in winter season and in rainy season, then what will happen, a green color coating is observed, okay, on the copper. So this is called as tarnishing of copper. Okay, so like this, reddish brown coating is observed on iron articles, black color coating is observed in on silver articles, and greenish color coating observed on copper articles. So this is about rusting and tarnishing. Okay, so here the corrosion of these metals are called like this, rusting and tarnishing beta. So this is about corrosion beta. Corrosion is nothing but oxidation of metals into the metal ions. Okay, so that is nothing but damage of metals beta. Okay, so this is about corrosion. It is our effect of oxidation in our daily life beta. Okay, look at this beta. It is one more effect of oxidation in our daily life, that is rancidity. Okay, it is well known example beta for oxidation of food. Okay, here rancidity means keeping food containing fat or oil for long time, the taste and the smell will be changed. Okay, due to the oxidation of food which containing oils and fats. Okay beta, so this is called as rancidity. Okay, try to understand, if you keep the food which is containing oil or fats, if you keep the food for long time, okay, what will happen, the taste and the smell will be changed. Okay, as usual it is happening in our daily life. Okay beta, so this is done by the oxidation of oils or fats which is present in the food beta. So this is called as rancidity. So to prevent the rancidity, okay, we are adding sometimes the antioxidants. We are adding sometimes the nitrogen gas. Okay beta, sometimes we store the food in airtight containers. Okay, look at this here. Food stored in airtight containers slow down the oxidation of food, okay, which containing the oils and fats. Okay, here on storing the pickles like food in airtight containers, it is also slow down the oxidation process better. So that's why the oxidation will be slowed down and the food will be protected. Okay, next, antioxidants. Some antioxidants are added to food to control the oxidation of oils or fats. Okay beta,